Want to learn how to time your crypto entries and exits like a pro? Let's break it down in under 60 seconds. Watch key price levels where coins reverse. These are your potential entry and exit points. Keep an eye on patterns like doji and engulfing candles. They tell you whether the market's about to flip. Use moving averages like the 50-day and 200-day to spot trends. Break above means entry, break below means exit. Over 70 means overbought, under 30 means oversold. Crossovers show bullish or bearish signals. High volume means strong move, low volume means weak move. Crypto news can swing prices, stay updated. Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram are gold mines for market sentiment. Use them to catch trends early. Protect your trades by setting stop loss and take profit limits. Only risk 1 to 3% of your portfolio per trade. Aim for 2 times your risk, so for every $1 risk, aim for $2 in profit. Enter when price breaks resistance, exit when it shows signs of reversal. Buy the dip, sell the rally, ride the trend, buy on dips in an uptrend, sell on rallies in a downtrend. Use TradingView for charting and analysis. Use Binance for price alerts and advanced orders to trade smart. Now you're ready to time your crypto moves like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Stay safe and trade smart.